Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened, what we might get next. So as you can see, Bitcoin took the low without continuation toward the upside, opening an impulse again on the lower time frame here towards lower prices. That is not a good sign. I mentioned today if we take the low, it will be a red flag, and of course I'm still on it. It is a risky move here, of course, to be bullish again. I mean, it can be, of course, no invalidation yet, but the risk is much higher, and that because, of course, I cannot see any alternation with any kind of a wave 2 that we got in the bottom here to take all that time for it. By all means, what it can be here is a potential A, B, and a C, which, of course, turning the things much more corrective rather than being impulsive. So yeah, it was required, of course, to continue toward the upside, or at least a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Taking the low is not really a good sign. 15-minute chart here, we are still impulsive and in several 1-2s. So we have several 1-2s accumulation here. We can see, of course, even several 4-5 toward the downside. So I don't feel comfortable for it, of course. We gotta be careful with it. Of course, this wave 4 has to retrace right now. We cannot be bullish until, of course, we take the high again. So we gotta be careful. Despite, of course, that it might be volatile, I'm still not yet convinced. Unless, of course, the things are going to take the high. And my confirmation would be the next is confirmation for higher exactly over there. Once we take the high, okay, then we make sure it is potentially 5 waves finished, 3 waves down, taking the high. This is the confirmation that we need. So far, this is too risky. It's still, of course, even unfinished structure for me. It might still, of course, push toward the downside, guys. So we gotta be careful with this for Bitcoin. Yeah, so we will see what is next then. If we are corrective and we're pushing toward the downside continuously here, so 2 possibilities. I'm gonna clean up a little bit just to see the things. Invalidation is gonna stay. Confirmation for higher. I'm gonna clean up this. Also, I'm gonna keep only the 1-to-1. So basically, what we have over there is a potential correction, as we mentioned. If this correction is going for a deep ABC here, the 1-to-1 fib level, why I deleted the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, is our key level there. Again, for something bullish, but I doubt it again because of the time. Yeah, so unless this is a finished impulse internally on very micro level, and then we're looking for a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, which I doubt it so much. So if we dive a little bit on the micro level here, I mean, we can see already accumulation of several 1-2s, but where are the 4-5s? Yeah, so, and this is a long for any of these wave 2s that we have over there. Therefore, guys, we gotta be careful. So don't forget, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still a possibility for bearish. And of course, the things might start to turn on. This is a signal, of course, that we were waiting for. In case of weakness, it might continue toward the downside. Yeah. So we will watch and see. Confirmation for higher still around 71k 800, meaning breaking it. Again, that means, of course, we might push towards the 74k, which it might still be even bearish until that time. So as a conclusion, we're not yet outside of the bearish pressure, of course. To be outside of the bearish pressure, we need to break the 1-to-1. Elimination of this potential correction and then pushing toward the upside. Of course, taking the high as usual is the most beautiful confirmation. 5 ways up, 3 ways down, you take the highs. This is the best confirmation. We're pushing for higher, but even 1-to-1 would be even much more, or pre-confirmation if you want. So we'll see, of course, what's gonna happen, guys. Trade safe, of course. Still, it's a price decision right now. Nothing yet, of course, is very bullish. Nothing yet is very bearish. We're still, of course, looking for a decision, and currently with this new low, the probability for bullish went down. Yeah, so we are 50-50 again. Before this, we were, of course, heading for wave 5, where it was very likely here to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why it got invalidated, guys. So it looks like a perfect impulse, ABC, then taking the low. I don't know what happened. So that was a very nice 60% probability for bullish, yeah, but unfortunately it is gone right now with this low. That was it for the intraday for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.